Hello, my name is Mr. Marchant. I hope you're okay today. We're going to have a look at a video now about how to use arrays to help you with your multiplication or your times. So what's an array? Well, here's an array. If we have a look at this egg carton, you can see this egg carton's got some columns or some slots that go down and some rows or slots that go across. Now this is an array. I've got another example of an array here on this chessboard or this checkers board. I have my columns that go down and my rows that go across. Let's have a look what else I've got. Okay, a baking tin, columns and rows. I stole this off Mrs. Heggs. This is for a game of noughts and crosses, but it's got our columns and our rows. And here's another egg carton. Just a bit bigger than the last one, isn't it? But again, we've got our columns and our rows. What I want you to do now is pause our video and go and try and find yourself an array. So just hit the pause button and off you go to find an array. Okay, welcome back. Let's have a little look how one of these arrays can help us with our multiplication. Let's use the egg carton, shall we? Now, if I put some of my eyeballs in there, one eyeball, two eyeballs, I can see that I've got one lot of 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. I can use this to count in 2. So 2, 4, 6, oh, that one's trying to escape, 8, 10. So I've filled my egg carton now. If I look at my column, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 eyeballs in my column, and I've got 2 eyeballs in each row. So I know that 6 multiplied or times 2 is 12, or 6 lots of 2 is 12. What about if I turn my array round? I've only got 2 in my column now. 2 in my column, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in my row. So 2 lots of 6 is 12. We could play with that, couldn't we? We could take 2 of our eyeballs out. If I can get my fingers in there. And now I've got 2 in my column and 5 in my row. 2 lots of 5 are 10. Let's put that array down for a moment. What about if I play with this array? Hopefully my pieces are going to stay in here. I have 1, 2, 3 in, oh, they're trying to escape those. 3 in my column. And if I put some more of those in, I have 2 in my row. So 3 lots of 2 is 6. Let's put some more in, shall we? So 3 lots of 3 are 9. What I want you to do now is have a little play with what you found for your array and see how many different combinations you can come up with. And as you're out with your mums and dads or with your teacher, see if you can find some other examples of things that are arrays and how you might be able to play with those or use those to help you with your multiplication. These were just my examples. I'm sure you can find a lot better.